Students, in today's video we are going to see another application of combination circuit is a adder. Okay, what is meaning of adder? Adder is an arithmetic circuit, which performs binary addition of inputs. This is a simple definition of adder. Adders are classified into two different ways or types. First one is half adder, and the second one is full adder. Okay, in first we go through with the half adder. A half adder, it consists two inputs and it produces two outputs. The outputs are sum and carry out. These are the two outputs of half adder. The block diagram of half adder is shown in figure. This with the A and B are the inputs, and these are produces two outputs, sum and carry. Okay, these are the outputs and these are the inputs. Once we are able to draw the block diagram of half adder, then it's time to draw a truth table. We know that it consists two inputs, so the truth table consists input as well as outputs, where are two inputs A and B, and outputs are sum and carry. So if A and B are two inputs, then it produces four different combinations, because number of possible values is equal to 2 raised to n, where n is nothing but number of inputs. So 2 raised to 2 becomes 4. So it produces four possible combinations, which are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, so the inputs values are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, what are the rule is binary addition? 0 plus 0, 0, carry is 0, 0 plus 1, sum is 1, carry is 0, 1 plus 0, sum is 1, carry is 0, 1 plus 1. In this way, in this addition, sum is 0 and carry is the 1. So these are the truth table. Here we write a decimal values of each and every combination. It will be 0, this will be 1, this will be 2 and this will be 3. These are the decimal values, these are the binary equivalent, and these are the outputs of our truth tables or our half adders. Okay, so with the help of this truth table we can draw a logic diagram. Before that we have to find out the Boolean expression for the sum and carry out. So it will be time of Boolean expression. So Boolean expression for sum we have to consider only ones in this column of sum. So this 1 will be present at these two input variables. This is a 0, so it will be A bar, and the value of B is 1, so it will be A bar B, plus for this one, what is the value of A is 1, and what is the value of B is 0, so it will be A B bar. Okay, if you observe carefully, this is the truth Boolean expression which is equivalent to the exclusive OR gate expressions. So just keep in mind, this expression is similar to exclusive OR gate expression. Okay, let's able to find out the expression for carry. For carry, here only 1 is present, so for this we consider A into B. With the help of these two Boolean expressions, we can easily find out the or draw the logic diagram. So the logic diagram for this expression is, just write down the expression once again. For sum, it will be A bar B plus AB bar, and for the carry, the expressions are A B. Okay, so logic diagram is, for sum we can use exclusive OR gate because this is expression of exclusive OR gate, and for carry we can use AND gate because this is expression of exclusive AND gate. Okay, so draw. First we need inputs A as well as B. Okay, we use first exclusive OR gate. This will be gives us result sum. In the same way, use same the inputs. Only use AND gate, and it produces carry. I hope so you understand. First part or first type of adder is a half adder. Then next continue with the full adder. Okay, in the full adder it consists 3 inputs. The inputs are A, B and C in nothing but carry in of the previous stage, as well as it produces 2 outputs. The outputs are sum and carry out. Okay, these are the some explanation or definition of full adder. Then go through a block diagram. It consists input A, input B and input C in, and produces outputs sum and C out. Okay, with the full adder. These are the block diagrams. So go through a truth table. Okay, before going to draw the truth table, the inputs consist 3 A, B and C in. So to find out maximum number of values, we have to use formula 2 raised to n, where n is number of inputs, which is here 3. So it will produces 8. So with the help of this 3 input combination, we can represent values from 0, 0, 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. These are the 8 different values for these 3 inputs. So inputs and outputs, there are 2 outputs with the decimal values. Inputs are A, B and C in, and outputs are sum and C out. Okay, so first decimal value is 0 and the binary representation is 0 0 0. For that sum is 0 and carry out is 0. Decimal value is 1, binary value is 0 0 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. For 2 0 1 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. For 3 0 1 1, sum is 0, carry is 1, because 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0. For the 4 1 0 0, sum is 1 and carry is 0. For 5 1 0 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. For 6 1 1 0, sum is 0 and carry is 1. For the 7 1 1 1, both are 1 1. Okay, these are the truth table for the sum and carry or for the full adder. Okay, once we are able to draw the truth table, then let's go find out the Boolean expressions. The Boolean expression can be implemented with the help of this truth table. For that we have to remember values for this one, for this. Okay, for this one we have to represent the values are A bar, B bar into C in. For this one, A bar, B, C in bar. For this one, the values are A, B bar, C in bar, as well as for this one the values are A, B, C in. Okay, in the similar way, find out the values of C out. After that we will reduce the equations or expressions. Okay, for this one the inputs variables are A bar, B, C in. For this one the inputs variable are A, B bar, C in. For this one inputs are A, B, C in bar plus A, B, C in. Okay, these are the two different expressions for the sum and carry. So write down once again sum and carry equations and reduce it. First, for sum, A bar, B bar, C in plus A bar, B, C in bar plus A, B bar, C in bar plus A, B, C in. Okay, these are the equations for the sum. Just try to reduce it. To reduce it, what we have to do? From this equation we can bring C in bar as in common. What will be inside? A bar, B plus A, B bar plus from this and this term we can bring C in as a common. What will be remaining? A bar, B bar plus A, B. Okay, these are the two major parts or two terms are present here. After reducing this, equation number 1. Okay, if you observe carefully, let's go through with this one. Okay, this is a bar, B plus A, B bar which is expression of exclusive OR gate, or we can consider this as a term X. Okay, and this is the expression of A bar B bar plus A B is expression of exclusive NOR gate. Okay, so exclusive NOR gate can be implemented by XOR plus NOT gate. So this will be equation is X bar. So put this value in above equation. So Cin bar into X plus X bar into Cin. Again compare this equation with the A bar B plus A B bar. So this will be again nothing but A XOR with B. So this will be Cin is XOR with X. So what is the value of X? Cin is XOR with A, which is XOR with B. This is the equation of sum. Okay. In the similar way, for the find out the equation for the Cout, write out the equation as it is. A bar B into Cin plus A B bar into Cin plus AB Cin bar plus AB into Cin. This is the expression of Cout. So try to find out the common terms from this. So common terms are Cin A bar B plus A B bar. From this entire term we can bring AB as a common term. Cin bar plus Cin. So A bar plus A this will be 0, this will be 1. So Cin A bar B plus A B bar plus AB into 1. Again this will be modified as Cin A XOR with B plus A B. This is the expression of Cout. Okay, with the help of these two equations we can easily draw the block diagram. So logic diagram can be implemented with the help of these two equations. So draw, write down first equation. Sum equation is equal to Cin is XOR with A is XOR with B, and Cout is equal to AB plus Cin inside the bracket A XOR with B. These are two different equations. So draw first logic diagram with the help of these equations. First consider A and B. Okay, we need A XOR with B, so use exclusive OR gate. Okay, this will be gives us A XOR with B, but we need A XOR with B with Cin XORing. So we take one more input which is Cin, and we use one more XOR gate. This will be exclusive, sorry, this will be sum expression. Okay, for the Cout, first we go through with the term AB. So we need AND gate. So use A B with the help of AND gate. Okay, next we need Cin into A XOR with B. So we have a Cin, but we have to just multiply these two numbers, sorry, two terms. So use AND gate. Okay, and we have to add these two terms together for this expression. So use OR gate, and in this way we can represent C out. I hope so you little bit understand how to explain adder. Adder having two types, half adder and full adder. Then it's time to draw block diagram. These are the design steps. Then next, truth table. With the help of truth table, we draw or find out the Boolean expressions. We reduce it, and at last, with the help of Boolean expression, we draw a logical diagram. These are the design steps for the implementation of adder. Thank you very much.